Welcome to round 7 of the 2025 Retro Rallycross Championship. We're here back at the home of Rallycross, Lydden Hill in Kent. Paddock have caught up with Alan Tapscott, a great supporter of Retro Rallycross. Alan, how's your day been so far?
It's been really, really good. I've had some good races with Pat, Andy Grant, and they've all been good, and I've been really enjoyed them. It's been on their heels, but it's been really good.
Yeah, there's not been much between you, have you?
No.
You could throw a napkin over the three of you, and you'd be.
That's right. We're all gunning for it.
Yeah.
But it's been really good racing. Really good. I've really enjoyed the races I've had today.
It's been very enjoyable watching you too. So yeah, everyone's a winner.
Yeah.
And
really good.
Your hopes for later on?
Well, I'm going to try my best.
Yeah.
Obviously, I think it's between me and Pat now who's on for third place.
Yes.
But in iron sight, he should do it really.
Well, he has spent a fair few bob on,
he spent a lot
on the.
Yeah, he spent a lot more money than I've ever spent. I know that, but that's what you got to do.
You've got the Vauxhall red top powering it, and it's a fairly straightforward car as Rallycross cars go.
Pretty simple. The car is simple. There's no technical stuff with it. It is basically retro as they come.
Yeah.
But really good.
That's how we like it.
Yeah. No, that's what it's all about, isn't it?
We'll keep a beady eye on you, Alan, see how you go on later on. Thanks for your time. Cheers. I'm delighted to be in the paddock at a very dark but clear night in Lydden Hill with our 2025 Retro Champion, Mr. Dan Swayland. You've been there before, but how good does that feel?
It's a great feeling. It's come around really quickly, but it's still, just as much as last year, a great feeling.
And obviously a very popular one, given the graffiti and signing and things on the body.
Yeah, thought we'd try something different, give back to the spectators a little bit. As you've seen, the turnout's absolutely amazing. Sold out weekend. So to sort of give back in a way and let people have their fun, maybe a bit too much fun. It was definitely worth it because it's brought some smiles.
Interacting with the audience as well as entertaining us out on track. Now that little mini of Ian Biaggi's, that does get off the line quickly.
Yeah, I struggled to get off the line. Obviously, Ian, he's brilliant at the starts. It's been fun with Ian today as well, and everyone, to be honest, it's been brilliant.
Yeah. And of course, racing again tomorrow for the last round of the 2025 championship. But you've got an unassailable lead now, but then changes for next year with the car.
Yeah. So they're obviously still pending. Might be some obviously engine upgrades going to the bigger class. But for now, the stress is off for tomorrow, which is pretty good. Haven't got to worry about it breaking down so much. So maybe I don't have to go underneath it too much tonight. There's a lot of hope in the distance.
Yeah. But don't forget to clean your air filter.
Yeah, no, always do. Well, I mean, usually it's TNC kicking me up. So, big thank you to them because they kept me on the circuit this year. And, of course, big thank you to our late Pete Malem, who obviously started all of this off because without him, we wouldn't, definitely wouldn't be here right now. So, massive thank you to him as well.
Yeah, brilliant. Many congrats. You've done it again, but keep that winning feeling going.
Thank you.
Delighted to be with our champion-elect, maybe, Charlie French. You've there's still some way to go. We've got another round tomorrow, but today you did yourself a lot of favours out there on track.
We certainly took the pressure off for tomorrow, but we still need to do well, obviously. But been close again.
As it has been all season, yet more fantastic racing, all the way through the Super Retro field. But again, with yourself and Alan Crockett just being inches from each other so many times.
Yeah, and I think we're both a lot better drivers for it this year because we just had to know what we're up to. Just knowing what each other are going to do or trying to preempt it, which is been hard because you have to come up with new ideas to get past each other, but it is really good.
Well, so there's obviously a lot of respect for each other and also trust in each other to do predictable things because you are racing so fast, so close to each other.
And Alan's brave move in the last race. I've seen moves similar not come off so well, so it was good for us both to come out just a bit squirmy afterwards. That was nice.
A bit squirmy?
A little bit squirmy, yeah. I haven't watched it back yet. It's quite dark.
I'm looking forward to seeing it myself again. But that's just typical of the edge of the seat driving and that you've entertained us with, you and Alan, right the way through the year. Looking forward to some more tomorrow because statistics show that it's not quite there for you yet.
It's not, no, and we'll still have to work hard tomorrow and we should put on a good show again, hopefully.
I think we can be confident of that. Yeah. So thanks for your time, Charlie. Congrats again. Well done. Well, Shirley, here we are at Lydden Hill in the sunshine in November.
Absolutely.
For the last round of the 2025 Retro Rallycross Championship. How excited are you?
I'm very excited, and it's still all to play for in the Super Retro Rallycross category.
Isn't it just? We've had such entertainment all through the year with Alan Crockett and last year's champion Charlie French seemingly attached by a short rope. Every round it's been the same. Superb racing.
They've been very, very exciting, and we had fireworks last night, and I think we're going to have fireworks on the track today.
I think you could be right. moments with Mr. Lydden Hill himself, Pat Doran, who's you've got to have been enjoying this weekend, Pat. What with the crowds here last night for the fireworks?
Oh, yeah. As an organiser and promoter, it's taken a lot of years to get to this. People don't understand that.
Yeah.
But it was amazing.
Yeah.
You know, I've done events all around the world, and you've got to struggle to get the atmosphere. Yeah, the crowds, there were thousands of people, but it was just the atmosphere. Yeah. But I think Lydden does that, being in a dome, you know, being a dip, and it just the whole noise, the atmosphere was just incredible.
Oh, it was. For me, it evoked images that I can remember from seeing here in the late 70s, early 80s, with the car park jammed full. You couldn't see the grass for cars, and that's what we had again last night.
Oh yeah, and more. Yeah, no, this broke the record last night.
Yeah. We
had to close the ticket sales on Thursday. Otherwise, we still struggled to get everyone out, but we got them out. We got them in, everyone enjoyed it, families. And I think there was a lot of neutrals. People that just came to the fireworks and the fair, and a lot of people found Rallycross.
Yeah.
You know,
and let's hope we see them again in future.
Of course, that's the whole idea.
Yeah. But for you as a driver, Pat, it's all nip and tuck for third place in the championship.
No, I think I've spent more time and money on this car than any car I've ever had before. Trying to get it right.
Yeah.
Trying to get the horsepower down that this can produce with the engine in the front has been a challenge. Yeah. Charlie's obviously done it. Crockett's obviously doing it, and I'm fighting a bit of an uphill with my age and all the rest of it, but I'm not far away now. I can touch it now. I'm only a couple of tenths of a second a lap behind them now, so hopefully I keep going that step forward and then 2 steps back.
Lydden Hill paddock at the end of a frantic day in a frantic season is our new super retro champion, same as last year, Mr. Charlie French. Congratulations, Charlie.
Thank
what
you,
a season you've had.
Yeah, what a ride. It's not been easy. I've had to work for it, but yeah, very rewarding and really relieved now. But yeah, what a season we've had racing with Alan. Yeah, it's been close, and I've really enjoyed it. The whole team's enjoyed it. Hopefully, I know Alan's enjoyed it, his lot.
and a certain member of the team who is here in one way or another, but explain.
He hasn't said a lot this weekend. John's not very well. He couldn't make it this weekend, but we've really missed him. We thought we'd bring him along to ask for his advice. We've had a lot of mileage out of this cut out of John.
More sense than normal.
Yeah, more sense than normal. I'll leave it there.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. So all the way through, Alan's been sort of chomping at the bit. He's been so close to run you to make it a very well-deserved win.
Yeah.
What's new for next year? What's the plan?
Oh, there isn't a plan yet. We just had to get this year out of the way. Quite honestly, we just need to go back, gather our thoughts, and come up with a plan. I don't know what's happening next year, truthfully.
Possibly a retro car?
We'd like to bring another car out. It just depends what happens in the next few weeks.
To the table.